Landria here with the Success Series. We have some distractions out there, but it's not going to stop me. You know, I just got back from the emergency. I almost choked to death yesterday. I made it to the hospital because I could breathe, and I actually had to go into surgery. This thing was lodged, and they found out it's because I have a very small passage in my throat. I always have. I knew I was always struggling with anything that was bigger than a pill, so I couldn't even take pills. And very few people have this. Of course, I've got it. And so they stretched my throat while they were in there with the endoscopy operation. And so some good things came from that. But this tiny little navy bean was actually blocking the entire passage of my throat. A little crazy, huh? But here I am. I've got little bruises from the IV and all that other stuff. Oh, here we go. We've got more distractions. But I'm going to keep going because that's what this video is all about. I just got released from the hospital just a few hours ago. First thing I did is I came home and I started shooting videos because this is what I love doing. And so I wanted to just bring up, if you're a Monty Python fan or those who are middle-aged, definitely remember Monty Python. And that is the story of the search for the Holy Grail when they're out there. Monty Python, the whole Monty Python team of comedians are out there as knights back in the olden days seeking the Holy Grail. It's a very, very funny movie. If you haven't seen it, look it up. And there's one scene when the white knight is up against the black knight in the middle of the woods. The white knight easily defeats the black knight, but the black knight never stops. He gets an arm cut off and he continues to fight and says, "See, I still have another arm." And then he gets his other arm cut off, and you know, he's trying to run and ram him and headbutt him, and then he cuts his legs off. It just goes on, and this knight won't stop. And finally the white knight feels so sorry for him. He's like, you know, stop. But the black knight won't. Well, obviously it's ridiculous, but not so much really, because as long as you keep fighting, and you don't have to fight for it, as long as you keep going after the things you desire, the things that you know that you can achieve, you have to be like the black knight, but you're going to triumph like the white knight. You're going to do it. You're going to make it. And even if there are black knights after you, they're easily defeatable. And again, not to defeat anything, but to learn from it. You know what? There was something to be learned from the black knight, and that is, okay, guy doesn't have quite the, you know, the same skills as the white knight, but he never quit. And then the black knight can learn from the white knight who, well, had much better skills and was able to defeat him easily. And so there's a real great exchange from the light and the darkness of everything in your life, especially in business. So be like the black knight, never quit. Sometimes you have to know when to quit, but be like the black knight, never quit, and find the new path. In other words, the black knight at some point could have actually been as good as the white knight if he'd have learned those skills. So let's use this. Let's use this whole experience as being business owners. And if you're not one yet, go in with that attitude. Learn from the failures. Learn from having an arm chopped off. And why did that happen? I need more skills. I have the right attitude, but what can I learn from this that will place me in the position of the white knight? Because I'm never going to quit until I get there. I hope you had fun with this. Go see it. The Monty Python and the Holy Grail is just hysterical. And you'll know what I'm talking about if you're not already there. I'm sure YouTube has a video of that. And I'll see you in the next success video. Take care. Namaste.